Right, hello everybody, and she is finished, and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that, even though it's taken me forever, but that's because not the amount of hours. Oh well, I did work a lot on it, but I also, been doing other things, as you know, so my journaling time is a little bit restricted at the moment, or making journals, not journaling. So, but yes, turned out beautiful, and that's the cover I've chosen. Because like I said, the first one I chose I didn't really like. So it's done with Amazon packaging, 2 layers I think, and lace on top of some like calico. Okay, and then inside was 2 layers of paper, I think, or like scrapbooking paper. Or 1 scrapbooking paper, 1 was wallpaper. So yeah, that is the front cover. So okay, and there's dangles. There's about 5 I think I've put in there. So that's the back. There we go. And the topper is, it will be in the topper videos. I made a load of them at one point, so there are loads of videos on my toppers, and that was one of them. So can't quite remember when I made it, but and got sorry silk closure, and here is the front cover. Inside the front cover, that's the wallpaper. Okay, but there's another layer of like brown underneath, like, so that's quite fairly sturdy without it being, hard back. It's still flexible, okay, which I like. That was, I just put that on there. Okay, I think you've seen most of this, so I won't talk about everything because I've shown a lot in videos. Okay. And just some journaling cards there. And that's a tag. A lot of them are pinned in. A couple of the tags are actually stuck down because I quite liked the way they were looking. So, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue there. That's one of the many tags that I've made. A lot I've shown you. I don't think I show you this. This was just playing around one day and just some journaling stuff. There's a glassine bag in there, behind there, some music paper, just sort of collaged really. So I was just using a few bits that were around, hanging around. Made it look quite old. Oh, and that was the freebie topper, wasn't it? Well, no, it was freebie, yeah. That's one of the tags I've stuck in. I like the way that was looking. And there's a really nice tag there, which I'll do some journaling on that one. And that was one of the pieces of music paper that's stuck in sort of triangular, rather than straight. Then I just sort of put things together and then put the tag in the middle, and I thought it's made a nice pocket, a little bit different. I love this page. I've left it as it is. It's all sort of crinkly and just feels really nice, so I left that one plain. That's a tag I done last year, I think, but it went well. That was one of the paper clips that I done. I took a lot apart because it was too bulky with them all in. So I took them apart, and I've actually used them, and instead of using clusters, I've used those. So that was another tag stuck in there, but we got a pocket here. Okay. So I quite like the way that was looking in the centre of the page there. and done a few bits of washi tape right the way through. This is oh, one of the dangles that has come off. They're only just literally popped over that paper clip, so yeah, I'm just hoping that that's right. Here we go. That might have come undone now. There we go. Okay, so they just put on there. This is, oh yeah, like I think I showed that. Okay, I printed it onto sort of medium weight card, if you know, a lightweight card. Okay, and just made that out of it. That. The back of the paper clips that you see, I put one of those in. I put quite a few through the journal. God, I can't speak today. Sorry, folks. And just some little tags. Okay, I made that last year. I think that was one of some projects I'd done out of book pages, was it? It could have been. And just pop that one in there. There's actually another pocket behind in there. Yeah. You can have these ones as like floating, but I stuck mine in. And then there's the double pocket. Oh, I made, I've only just made these actually. So some little beads. Just posted the picture on Instagram of it. I love making beads. Some paper beads there. I see you. There you go. Now I just put some gloss stuff over the top, some varnish. 2 tags. Yeah, there'll be a playlist in Shabby Chic. Oh, Shabby Chic, I think. Why can't I get that in? I'll tell you what it is. I know what it is because I run out of arm length. Yeah, because there's nothing stopping that going in there at all. There's nothing. So I don't understand why that would do that. Nope, there is nothing in there. So, just keeping my head out. Okay, why that would do that, I don't know. Okay, there. I'm gonna see if I can do it. Look at that, straight in. There. I think it might be just catching on the stitching behind. There is nothing there, so another tag. Sort of a bit of something on the top. That was one of the paper clips I'd done. Like I said, I took them off the paper clips and glued them in. Because I just find, because I wanted other paper clips to hold things in, and those paper clips, they didn't look right sometimes, so I wanted dangles and things like that. So I just took them off and used them. So, and these are all journaling spaces here. Yeah, it's just a sticker there to brighten up that page. And a tag there. I'll try and lie that flat because I might forget. There we go. Tag there. That's a pocket made out of book page. That's just a little snippet there. That's some embossed. And then ran through with the ink, so I made a tag out of it. Vellum, washi tape on. Yeah, I like to carry the same washi tape right the way through if I'm going to use it. So, or I use a couple and then I do it. This one was just like an embossed frame in the background there, but I really liked it, so yeah, here we are, you can see it on there. So I just put that face there and, oh, face, portrait. Put that face there. That's really Cornish. That is. Oh dear. Okay, and one of the dangles I've recently made there. Oh, there's some sort of tickets and things in the envelope there. I won't take it out. But that was one of the envelopes that come with the kit. What was it called? Bella Rose, wasn't it? Oh, typed it in enough. Okay. Oh, and these were the, on the Ko-fi, wasn't it? The pages, documents with overprinted. So. Nice large tag. Journaling card. Just a little snippet there. Some of this I can't remember what I've done, to be honest. This is just leftover card, and I'll fold it over and then stitch along, put a grommet in the top, and you've got yourself a little tag that brighten up a lot of areas. It's sort of got embossed vellum in the back. I'm trying to put it in. There's another little snippet there. What we got here? I've just put a guest check in there and some paper, rose paper there. I think that's just from my stash from, oh, whenever. Another little dangle there. Because of the paper clip, I'll put something there. That's a bit of encased lace that looked really lovely in vellum pocket. That's embossed, my handmade paper that I've done there. I just put it through the embossing machine and then made a little cluster. That's the Tiffany stamp on fabric there, and that's the collage strips that I've done, and I've used that in there. That was done last year. It went really well, so put it in. That was done in the 100-day project using book pages. Another tag, and that's paper clipped in, that one. And journaling card there. And this is like a little flip thing. Oh, that's one of the paper clip things that I used. And you can write on there because that's really faded there. So sort of just tucks in that little pocket there, and like that. And then that's that side there. Another tag there. This I done, oh gosh, that was the kit, what I done with Tracy, wasn't it? Like with all postcards, and you know, you build a postcard or what, something like that. So they've done that then. So utilise that there. Let's put some journaling cards in. There. That was cut off of an envelope. Let's put one of those collage strips there in. And a little dangle coming down the bottom from there. Little bits of leftover stuff. And that's, again, there's one there. I took the paper clip out and actually just glued it in. Because it was, I couldn't shut it, so. And I wanted to, you know, I've used a lot. I've made a lot for this journal and used, you know, things from the kit. So, but I wanted to incorporate it all. So, just a little bit of cluster. There, that's one of those. Tack. A little cluster there. Fabric cluster, and then a little dangle there. And I've just popped that one in there. Okay, paper clip. This was some of the leftover bits, you know, that I've got here, just put together. And then just got a sort of journaling card. And vellum sticker, just a bit of stamping. The other side of that. And then that's the back page, okay, which I've done belly band, and put one of those I made in the kit. So that goes over there, and that's all the paper there. Complete and video done. Yeah, so like I said, it's quite a chunky one, and that's the other two beads there, look, so. Okay. I love making them. There, yeah. So quite a chunk. Okay then. Oh, and envelopes. Oh, I did this. The envelopes will go with this journal. I haven't put anything in there because there's so much in that journal. You know, you could take and use this and use them in another journal or something like that, and some can be made into toppers. Okay, some might have bits in, can't remember. Oh, there's a couple of bits that I might have put in, look, together, so I'm just going to leave them in there because I'm not doing any more to this. So that's that one there, and like these you could quite easily take them off and use these as toppers for journals. All right, so some nice envelopes here. That's one of the envelopes, well, not envelopes, from where I printed out on Ko-fi, and I printed over, didn't I? Then I made that one into a envelope type letter. So that one will be in the playlist for sure, because I think that's one of the first things I've done. It's another envelope here. So, okay. And another one of the letters. I won't take them apart, but it's not actually, it's not a letter, it's an envelope, isn't it? And then another one there. Yeah. There we go. And then this one I'd done a few years ago. So, and it goes. So I thought I would utilise that and put that with the kit. Okay, it's all gold embossed and everything. There we go. So yes, that is it. And I can't remember how these go now. Yes, wish me luck. And here's the journal. So thank you very much for watching, everybody, and speak to you very soon. Bye.